So here I've selected star from our films table, and you can see we have the name and the length in minutes of each of our films. But let's say we wanted to just select the maximum length, so our longest film that we're showing in our cinema. Well, we can select max length min. So we're applying the max aggregate function to our length min column from films, and if we run that, you can see it just returns one value of 153, which was the highest number in this column. So our longest film length is 153 minutes. But what if we wanted to show the name of the film as well as the max length? Well, we might come in here and we might say, let's select the name column and the max length from films. So let's run this. But you can see this returns an error, and it's mentioning the group by expression here. And basically we're getting an error because if we select star from film again, because the name, when we select name, is trying to return 12 values. It's trying to return all the names in our films table, but the max length min is only trying to return one value. So when we run this statement just as it is, it doesn't know whether to return 12 values or whether to return one value. So we get an error. But we can get around this by using group by statements, which we're going to learn later in the section. So that's how we return the maximum value in a given column. Now let's look at how we can return the minimum value. So let's select the film with the shortest length, with the shortest running time. So to do that, we can just come in here and we can apply the min aggregate function to our length min column and run that statement, and you can see it returns 88. So our shortest film is 88 minutes, so just under 1.5 hours. So that's how we return the minimum value in a given